What's up, Milk Mob? It's Sarah, your studio artist at Milk Makeup. This is Kush Growhouse Lash and Brow Serum, a daily serum to nourish and boost for fuller and longer looking lashes and brows. Unlike lash and brow serums engineered with harsh chemicals, Kush Growhouse is the future. Infused with natural and nourishing ingredients delivered intuitively and bottled for your best interest. This formula is 94% natural, so you don't have to worry about any irritation, changing eye color, or skin color. The future is lush. Kush Growhouse is formulated with hemp-derived cannabis seed extract to strengthen hair for healthier looking lashes and brows. Aloe, B5, and quinoa support healthy hair follicles. Apply morning and night to bare brows and lashes. Varied results possible as soon as 4 weeks. Allow 12 weeks for best results. And over time, Kush Growhouse is gonna make these lashes and these brows even doper. For longer looking lashes, swipe one stroke of the Growhouse brush along the upper and lower lash line. For fuller looking brows, draw short, hair-like strokes upwards from the front of the brow back to the tail. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the formula to dry. This formula is 94% natural and ophthalmologist tested. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan always. Plus, fragrance-free and gluten-free.